Master craftsmanship meets coastal casual elegance in this spectacular Lochhaven waterfront home on quiet cul-de-sac by Norfolk Yacht and Country Club and Hermitage Museum. Open floorplan with fully renovated kitchen is great for casual living and entertaining. Breathtaking river views throughout. Large bedrooms, each with its own bath. Master bedroom suite with fireplace, dressing area with 2 walk-in closets and luxurious marble tile bath with soaking tub and walk-in shower. Original wood moldings, hardwood floors and mahogany interior doors throughout. 2 offices to accommodate your dual needs. Carriage house with living space, kitchen, 2 bedrooms and a bath gives added space for older children, guests and overflow entertaining. Pier with boat and jet ski lifts on deep water is idyllic for fishing, spotting dolphins and enjoying wine at sunset. Spacious deck with outside fireplace overlooking the enclosed backyard with Bermuda lawn and amazing gardens offers 4 seasons of delight.